Hello students of class 8. In this video I'm going to explain all the exercise of chapter number 9 more on pythons. Let's start. Number 1 is a tick the correct answers. A. The way of writing the code of particular language is known as a syntax. Next is the IDE stand for. It's mean none of the above because IDE full name is a integrated development involvement. Question number C. The output for the code A is equal to 15, B is equal to 5. Print A is greater than 5. The will be is 15 is greater than 5. Answer is 15 is greater than 5. Next, number D. The output for x in range 5. Print x will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number E. The output for fruits 2 in the given list will be orange is my favorite fruit. It's me option number 3. Next is a F question number F argument passed to a function have to be consistent with the data types within the function. It's a true. Number G, a function is a set of code that performs a particular task and is linked to a larger code. Number H, data structures are used to organize data for easier access and faster processing. Next question number I. Which of the followings are example of data structure in Python? All of above. Dictionaries and tuple both. Number J. Which of the following is not a programming language? None of the above. Because both have C++ and A and a Erlang are programming language. Now question number 2. Fill in the blanks. In a fill, a function is a set of code that perform a particular task and is linked to a larger code. Number B, commonly used data type in Python are integers, string, floats, and boolean. Number C, special variable used to pass values to a function are called parameters, arguments. Number D, our data structure is format in which data is organized in such a way that it make it easier to store, access, and modify them. Number E, the length function is used to compute the length of a string. Now next question, match the columns. A M 2 4 6 8 10 match with list. Return x plus y match with return statement within a function. Define add AB function definitions. Define add 4 5 add a match with number 2 function call, and print len as match with the built-in function. This is come on. Now next start question number 4. Answer the following question in brief. What are function in Python? A function is reusable set of code designed to perform a specific task when called function. Number B, why are data structures important? They are important because they organize data for easier access and faster processing. Number C, what is difference between a parameter and an argument? Parameters are the variable listed in the function definition, while arguments are the actual values passed to the function when it is called. Now question number D, explain return statement and inbuilt function. A return statement is used inside a function to send a result back to the caller. Inbuilt function like len are predefined function provided by Python to perform common tasks. Next question is a fill in the blanks to complete the code. Question number 5. In question number 5, A type fill with type. In question number B, fill len function. In C number, print max number. And in question number D, both fill size. And question number E, print in first 0, then 4, then 2, okay, then fill. It's mean all the exercise, hence all the exercise here completed with the question answer. All the exercise here completed with the question answer of chapter number 9 more on Python. All the students watch this video and complete your exercise in book and also write question answer in your copy. Thanking you. Good day and goodbye.